Imagine you have a small lemonade stand. You wake up every day, set up your table, and start selling lemonade. People come, they buy, you make money. Now imagine something interesting happens. Your friend walks up to you and says, "I like your business. I think it will grow, so I want to be part of it." And then they ask, "Can I give you money in exchange for owning a small part of your stand?" That is the stock market. Direct hit what the stock market really is. The stock market is not magic. It's not a casino. It's not guessing. It's simply a place where people buy and sell small pieces of businesses. That's it. Every time you hear someone bought a stock, what it really means is they bought a tiny piece of a company. Let's make it clearer. Let's go back to your lemonade stand. Right now, you own 100% of it. But you want to grow. Maybe you want a bigger table, more lemons, better cups, but you don't have enough money. So you decide, I'll sell small pieces of my business. If your business is divided into 100 pieces, and someone buys one piece, they now own 1% of your stand. That piece is a stock. People buy stocks for one reason. They believe the business will grow. If your lemonade stand becomes more popular, more people want to own a part of it. So they start buying. And when more people want something, the price goes up. Now imagine the opposite. Let's say your lemonade doesn't taste good anymore. Or people stop buying. Now fewer people want your business. So they start selling. And when more people sell, the price goes down. That's where people get confused. Most people don't think about the lemonade stand. They only look at the price. Up, they feel excited. Down, they feel scared. So they make quick decisions. They buy when it's already high. They sell when it's already low. And without realizing it, they lose money. Now imagine this. Your lemonade stand is actually very good. Every year, more people buy from you. You make more money. You improve the business. Even if some days are bad. Overall, you are growing. Now imagine someone who owns a piece of your stand. At first, their piece is small. But over time, as your business grows, their piece becomes more valuable. That's how wealth is built. Not in one day, not in 1 week, but slowly. The stock market rewards one thing: patience, not speed, not luck. Patience, because good businesses take time to grow. And if you stay invested, you grow with them. Most people don't wait. They want fast results. So they treat the stock market like a game. Buy today, sell tomorrow. Chase trends. They follow hype. They follow fear. They follow what everyone else is doing. And because of that, they never build anything real. Smart investors do something very simple. They ask, is this a good business? Will people still need this in the future? Will this company grow over time? And once they find something strong, they invest. And they wait. There are 2 simple ways. #1, the price goes up. You buy at a lower price. And later it becomes more valuable. Some companies give you part of their earnings. This is called a dividend. So you can earn just by owning. Owning stocks is like planting seeds. Each stock is a seed. Some grow slowly. Some grow faster. But none grow overnight. If you keep digging them up to check if they're growing, they never will. The biggest difference between people who win and people who lose is this. Losers think, I'm trading. Winners think, I'm owning. One focuses on price. The other focuses on value. Let's imagine two people. One person buys, panics, sells, repeats. After years, they're still stuck. Another person buys good businesses, waits, stays consistent. After years, their money has grown. Same market, different thinking, different results. #clapperboard final realization. The stock market is not complicated. People make it complicated. At its core, it's simple. Buy small pieces of good businesses and give them time. Most people lose because they are impatient. A few people win because they are consistent. And in the end, it's not about being smart. It's about how you think and how long you can wait. Megaphone if you want more simple but powerful explanations like this. Subscribe.